on. Come here. Come here. Hello, my lovely lock minions. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Mfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. On this channel, I'm here to guide, advise, and give you tips on how to care for locks for you to love. Keep watching. Today, we're gonna do the famous Rick James bangs. So I want to show you the things that I do to incorporate this look. I love what it looks like on me, and I would like to share that with the world. Okay, so first of all, you can use some spray. I use aloe vera gel. I already sprayed it on my hair to make it nice and soft. Especially since I'm going to put my hands in my hair, I want some moisture in it. Now I'm gonna separate the front part of my hair about right here. We're gonna measure like how you want the bangs to frame your face. So I think maybe about here would be it. So I am just guessing as I go along. So I'm gonna move this to the side. I'm gonna do the little, I call these like curly fries. I don't know why I call them that, but that's what I'm gonna call them. So this one's gonna be about right here because I want it to frame my face. Now one, and as I'm going along, I'm just kind of framing the face. Okay, it's already looking like a bang. A bang, get a bang, bang, bang. See how it is? I have a lot that I joined together, and it's 2 of them. So it looks kind of suspect, but it's right where it needs to be. I start from the bottom where I'm holding about where I want my locks to be, and I go up and I start coming all the way down until it feels tight, but not too tight because you want to fit the lock through the hole. And I have 2 others that I joined together as well. Ow. Ooh, that's a little bit too long. Look at that thing. I have to redo that one. Here we go. And then I just make sure I have the right amount. It's looking how I like. Let's bring some of this over here. I love these bangs a lot. My sister be clowning on me though. She said I look like Rick James. Shut your mouth. Okay, I just need, so as you start doing the bangs, you want to like see how it's looking. I might need to do, yeah, a couple more because you can kind of see how it's like framing my face. So this one I'm gonna have a little lower. I don't do these too often, only because it messes with the ends of my locks, and I'm trying to keep the length. So as you're going back and forth, you just want to make sure, ooh, that's too low, that is somewhat even to your liking. Whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. Who's to say that this is really even? All right, so these are my Rick James bangs, and I love this hairstyle. I could put it in a ponytail, I'll be fine. I have bangs. I can just wear it down, I'll be fine. I have bangs. I'm so glad you stayed and watched this video. If you liked what you watched, continue searching my page, looking at some things. Click on these videos over here and discover the many possibilities of locks.